Today we are talking about WriterZen and the lifetime deal that helps you to build SEO optimized content in a simple and organized way. If you want to write blog that rank on search engine or create content that gets more traffic, WriterZen can make the whole process much easier. It is designed for creators, bloggers, agencies, and businesses who want to write smarter, not harder. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to find useful deals that saves time and money. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description for the discounted offer link. You don't need to use any code because the discount will be applied automatically when you use the link from our description. Now let's talk about the WriterZen and how it helps you to create better content. Many people can write, but writing SEO friendly content is difficult. You need the right keyword, the right structure, and you need to understand what users search for. WriterZen solves this issue by giving you a complete workflow from researching topics to writing the final articles. When you open WriterZen, the first thing you will notice is how clean the dashboard feels. Everything organized so you don't get confused. You can start with keyword research, just type your main topic and the tool shows you a large list of related keywords. It also shows search volume and the difficulty, so you can pick topics that are easier to rank. This saves you time because you don't have to guess what people are searching for. The topic discovery feature is also very helpful. Instead of randomly choosing any ideas, WriterZen groups relevant topics for you, and this helps you to understand what your audience wants, and it gives you many content ideas instantly. If you want to grow a blog or a niche website, this feature alone can guide your whole content plan. Another strong part of WriterZen is the content editor. Once you choose your keywords and topic, you can start writing inside the editor. The tool gives you the suggestions, keywords to include, and the headings and ideas from the top ranking articles. This helps you to write content that is not only good but also optimized for search engine. You don't need to be an SEO expert. WriterZen guides you step by step. You can also analyze your competitors. The tool shows you what other websites are doing, how long their articles are, and what keywords they are using. So this gives you a clear direction so you can create something better and more complete. If you are struggling to rank your articles or get organic traffic, this kind of guidance is very valuable. WriterZen also help you to build content clusters. This means organizing articles around one big topic so your website becomes more authoritative. Search engine love the well-structured content, and WriterZen help you to plan it without any confusion. Now let's talk about the lifetime deal. So basically, SEO tools normally charges a lot every month, especially when they include the keyword research and writing tools together. So over the time, this becomes more expensive. But with the lifetime deal on AppSumo for the WriterZen, you pay once and you can keep using the tool without any extra cost. This is perfect for creators and the business owners who want to long-term value without paying monthly fees. If you want to write better content, rank higher, or grow your website without learning the complicated SEO techniques, then WriterZen is a simple and powerful option. It guides your research, helps you to writing, and supports your full content strategy. If you want to grab the lifetime deal, you can check the link from the description. When you use the link from the description, the discount is applied automatically and you don't need to use any code. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Easy Access Tech, helping you to find easy tools for your business. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the deal link. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.